Okay, so joinery schedule. So the joinery schedule would be very similar to openings and barriers. This one, it's a clear example of the wardrobe. How do they open? What type of wardrobe we have? What are the distances? And normally this is a good practice. Then sometimes we don't really need to have the. I mean the openings. This is a very good way to represent the openings, and it have to be clear and consistent. Then also having how the close set is also very, yeah, very good, and the height. And if we don't know the height, then confirm on site. And this, if we don't know the width, confirm on site. Now we should also set the material, the external material and internal material of the joinery, or any node that is applicable. But this is basically the how do we represent the joinery, which will be referring to the finishes from the finishes type, and the joinery type from, yeah, from the types from the other field, from the other schedule. So yeah, we have a separate schedule. The other thing is that ideally, when we name it, we set the location. The location should be probably in two fields, like apartment one, and then the room. Then quantity, mm, yes, because we might have different rooms. Um, and then when we draw it on plans, we should attempt to draw the joinery everything in one go. Like for example, all these to be in the same plan. Then we'll have something like, the whole joinery in a very schematic way, but indicating what is inside. And then in there, the finish, also the fittings that might be included in the joinery. Like might be the range hood with the proper code. Now on the joinery, maybe we don't need to do um, add the joinery code, but that we can discuss it later on. And so this will be the joinery.